Sure am. Ozzy. Huh?
I'll make her yell. I'll just go.
Bring her over here a little bit so I can wipe the flies off her face. Come on, a little bit more. Get all the milky flies off her face. There you go. Ah. Come on, Ozzy will get her to go for you. Ozzy! No. Ryan? No, Oz. Ozzy. What, babe? What dirty girl?
I ride. Oh, wow.
Ozzy!
Can I ride down here? Like, ride the scooter down here?
Did you say better than a dirt bike? You think it is?
Can I ride the scooter down here, Mom?
I'm gonna go back up to the dirt.
Do you like riding her better than a dirt bike? Yeah. Huh?
Can I ride the scooter down here?
Uh-oh.
Can I ride it?
What's that mean?
Can I ride the scooter for a little bit, Mommy? Can I ride the scooter for a little bit? Little bit. Little bit.
Yeah, you can ride it.